Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Lincia name badge holder, a versatile and efficient solution for organizing your office space with its 60-slot design. This foam badge holder tray helps you effectively organize and display your cards or badges, keeping your desk clean and tidy. Measuring approximately 16.75 by 12 by 1.25 inches, this rectangular tray is compact enough to fit comfortably on your table without taking up much space, while each slot is perfectly sized to accommodate most badges or name cards. Crafted from durable EVA foam material, the tray is both lightweight and portable, featuring a black fuzz surface that adds a touch of professionalism and elegance to any setting. The smart design ensures your name badges stay straight, making them easy to view and reach, which enhances both storage and accessibility. Whether you're at home, in the office, or attending events and competitions, this name badge organizer tray is practical for a variety of occasions, and is perfect for holding not only badges but also ID cards and message cards. So, if you're looking for a reliable and reusable way to keep your workspace organized, the Lincia name badge holder is your go-to solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.